Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix GB WhatsApp keeps stopping. To know how to fix GB WhatsApp keeps stopping, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps here, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of WhatsApp here. And when you will see this page, you will go to first stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, in this page, you will click clear cache, and then you will go to click clear data. After all that, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.